The diamond wire saw type DWS.100 is the smallest saw in our production range. It is suitable for processing the smallest workpieces up to a maximum of 80 mm cutting length and cutting height. The saw is made out of anodized aluminium and stainless steel. For the drive, the control, as well as the complete electric, industrial suitable high-grade quality products were used. The feed is adjusted by gravity with an infinitely variable weight. This ensures a constant cutting pressure on the workpiece and wire. The cutting depth can be limited by setting an end stop. When the end stop is reached, the machine stops automatically. The cutting width in the X direction can be precisely adjusted to the hundredths by means of an attached micrometer. The horizontal design of the DWS.100 allows an excellent view of the cutting off, as the workpiece is guided through the cutting wire from bottom to top. To fix the workpieces on the saw, we offer a wide range of workpiece holders. These includes the side sample carrier, the frontal sample carrier, also with an attached mini vise, the horizontal sample carrier, a 4-axis goniometer, and a rotary drive, which is recommended for producing particularly smooth, almost polished-like cutting surfaces. Below the removable protective hood is a wire drum on which 20 meters of diamond wire are spooled. Due to wide length, the wire change frequency is reduced. The two-way saw technology used here makes it possible to use an inexpensive spool wire. The almost fully automatic wire change is extremely user-friendly and can be carried out in less than 5 minutes. This wire drum of the DWS.100 is loaded with 20 meters of diamond wire. Furthermore, the DWS.100 has a removable dry tray. By fitting in an emulsion, wet cutoffs can also be carried out with simultaneously wire cleaning. The DWS.100 is controlled by means of a touch panel. A clear, structured menu navigation in text and picture enables an easy operation of the saw. The wire speed can be continuously adjusted in a range of 0 to 4 meters per second. The service life of the wire and the duration of the cut are displayed. In the menu item Wire Change, the required tools are displayed, as well as the execution of the wire change step by step in text. If necessary, supporting pictures can be called up. In the menu item Settings, among other things, the desired language can be selected from currently 6 languages. The DWS.100 diamond wire table saw is used in many laboratories for material analysis, material testing, and quality control. We would be blessed if the DWS.100 also support your application in the future.